Hello, this is Scholastic Sam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on the topic of Algebra 2, we will be discussing radical functions. Now, as you know, the equation is a square root of x minus h plus k. You wouldn't normally write all those parentheses, but I have to because I can't do the square root symbol in this. Now, h, of course, affects the horizontal shift, k affects the vertical shift, and h comma k is the vertex, and a, as usual, affect how skinny or wide it is. Let's go Desmos really quickly. So now we have y equals the square root of x. It looks like that. We have our vertex there, because you see h and k are both 0, and we can't go, that is, when we learn about domain and range, that's going to be not including 0, because remember, you can't do the square root of 0, and you can't do the square root of a negative, because that'd be imaginary. We'll get into imaginary numbers later. So then, of course, x minus 5 moves it to the right, plus, let's say, 3. We know the vertex is going to be at 5 and 3, and if we did plus, it'd be the same thing. We'll just move over, but we're going to do x minus, because let's say x is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 3 is 5. So 9, yeah, 9 and 5. Yeah. All right, I got an eyelash in my eye. So, normally we would have like something like in normal equations like a 9 maybe here, but that would just, in these cases, just multiplies that by 3, because you know the square root of 9 is just 3. So if we have that, we have like that. So it's not, I mean, of course you guys know you can substitute them in, but at this point you're really not going to see that. But of course, you know, if we put like 2x, we take x is 2, 2 times 2 is, x is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, minus 5 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, plus 3 is 4. So when it's x is 3, yep, we see it must be, it's 4. Now the way you can tell normally in these, let's go back to, well, we can tell the a value is because you can go over 1 up 1 as usual. And if we go 4, you can go over 1 up 4. And if we go 0.5, it goes over 1 up 0.5. And instead of having 4 over, which would make it, because 4 over would make it, this, because the square root of 4 is 2, that would usually be 2 up. It's 4 over 1 up. If we had 2, it's 4 over 0.5 up. And instead of, and when it's 16 over, let's go 5, 16 is 21. Yeah, wait. When it's, so when it's, wait, when will be, you want 30, 39, okay, yeah, because that, oh, shoot, I meant to write 2.25, I was confused at that. Okay, because when it reaches, like, 21, because 16 minus, because 16, the square root of 16 is 4, so it's going to be going up 1, because usually it would go up 4, but because it's 0.25, it's only going up 1. So we see the vertex is at 5, 3, and each y value, the distance, the y distance from the vertex is divided by 4 because of that 0.25. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section because I do respond to all, yes, all comments. Please drop a like, hit that like button, and subscribe. It helps grow the channel and helps this knowledge reach more people. And also, please ring that bell, turn on post notifications so you guys can keep getting updates for all of my videos, because you will be needing this stuff all throughout high school to help ace high school with these. And thank you to my math teacher, Mr. Barrett. I was about to say Dr. B, my chemistry teacher, because I'm about to make a chemistry video now. Yeah, I'll make a chemistry one now. So my math teacher, Mr. Barrett. And, oh, yeah, wait, oh, shoot, just flipped over like normal if it's negative. Flipped over a horizontal as if a horizontal asymptote were like y equals whatever its vertex is. So yeah, you guys know all that. So, and remember, knowledge is power.